Welcome to Behind the Velvet Curtain, a journey through the past, present, and future.
S. Silence. I lived most of my life feeling like the peacekeeper. I lived most of my life interpreting, associating with the feelings of others, and disassociating with my own. I lived most of my life in the eyes of my mother, my grandmother, and my aunts to be the perfect daughter, granddaughter, niece, the perfect version of self, thinking I had to be so perfect even down to taking a selfie, eager. I lived this way, but still felt the fire within me when it came to creating with my hands, doing my hair, videos, getting dressed up on Saturday mornings to go absolutely nowhere, and take pictures. I lived in my light when I did these things, but still lived in silence, not wanting to acknowledge my talents. I lived behind the curtain, a textured curtain, a layered curtain, curtain so thick that I still haven't fully deciphered where all parts of me still hide. Feelings, sticking, squishing, soiled within each other, melting so deep it reached the fascia. And now there are days of physical pain, remembering how I lived. Now I am living, and there are still layers. Being the shapes of the past, the shape of my present, and wondering how I'm shaping my future, unknown, uncertain, destined to change. Life wouldn't be life without the three, yet we still try to escape them, not truly wanting to feel them because of the uncomfortability. Feel, unveil, flow are the ways in which I'm choosing to live now. I live by feeling. I live by unveiling. I live by being vulnerable. I live by flowing in divine steps, timing and realigning. I live by realizing rigid limits of coloring each shape in the lines of the perfect self. S, shadow, self, she. E, exists. And living a life trying to run away from the parts of me that are me removes the L, love, we are destined to experience through the shadows, mess, and F, fluidity that self, my true self, has to offer. My past is calling. She said to keep going, keep using my voice. Don't be afraid to be seen. Everything you're doing now is what I wish I could have done. And everywhere that I am now is a reflection of where I had to be to get to this moment. Thank you. Love you.
My past was very fearful, but as I've lived, my present feels chosen and aligned. I look forward to a colorful future. Hello, Presentalia. I appreciate you taking the time to soak it all in. Love you. In my past, I was resilient. As I come to my present renewal, I feel in my future rebirth or revival. My past was very chaotically fluid, but as I reflected, my present feels light. I look forward to an abundant future. I was surviving and fighting in my past, and because I was fighting in my past, I became a force of layered defense in my present. I am determined to feel safe in my future or obtain stability in my future. Hello, future Renee. How are you, girl? I know you lit. Keep chasing your dreams and achieving it. Amen.
In my past, I was vulnerable. As I come to my present, I'm open. I feel in my future, I will be free. Hey, future Devana, you did it.
In my past, I was lost. As I come to my present peace, I feel in my future light. My past was very chaotic, but as I've cried, my present feels clear. I look forward to a better future. Hello? Future Isabel? I know you're tired, but keep going. You didn't come this far just to come this far. Don't be lazy. Be consistent, be disciplined. I love you. Bye.
I was stagnant in my past. I became scared in my present. I am determined to feel functional in my future. Hello, present Michael. Michael.
I'm Talia. Hey, my name is Renee.
Hi, I'm Devana.
My name is Isabel.
Today, I am going to take a journey to my past, be a little bit more present, and look forward to my future. In my past, I was voiceless. In my present, I am eager. And in my future, well, I embody a boisterous, powerful woman, unafraid of speaking her mind, living in her glory, and finding true personal freedom. I truly look forward to that. I think I'm getting a call, actually. Let's see. It's my future calling. Let's find out what it said. Flowing. Like the river.
I'm really enjoying like the flow of creating and putting together my collage of my human experiences, and then just sharing all the different beautiful people that I'm meeting along the way and having conversations with along the way. And I feel like as a lovely, just me, I was gonna say a lovely Gemini, that too, but I feel like not having such rigid, I guess, blueprint of what exactly Flow-spective is what makes me love it so much, and what actually I feel is a true representation of a collage, a true representation of the human experience, a true representation of my life, as I feel I'm a very unconventional person and I don't really desire a traditional life. And not that there's anything wrong with a traditional life, but I know that that's not my path per se. And I know there's a lot of people that also don't have that path, and there are people that do have that path. And I think it's just really cool to see the bridge between that, and then also the bridge between the past, present, and future of people and what they see for themselves, who they see themselves as, and who they once were and who they saw themselves to be. So thank you for being here. This workshop will happen again. I feel it. I'm manifesting it. It will happen again. To take it outside of the doors of my school and to just the community of more Black and brown people. So I'm very excited. Thank you for watching. And let me know if your past called, if your present called, if your future called. Which would you like? Which would naturally come up in your voice? Like, will you want to talk to the past you? Do you want to talk to you right now? Have you been not being real with yourself right now in the now? Or do you want to see what that future look like, what that future do? So yeah, let me know. Let me know how you're feeling, and I hope you guys truly enjoyed this video, and I hope you also have a beautiful, amazing day. Yeah, love you. Bye. I love this, so cute.